can't decide between the HSBC Premier credit card and the ICICI Emeralde Private Metal credit card? These are not regular premium cards. Both are designed for high net worth users, but they follow completely different philosophies. One is built around global travel transfers and banking relationship value. The other is built around high direct reward rates and aggressive spending optimization. Choosing the wrong one here does not just reduce rewards slightly, it can completely change how much value you extract every year. Let's make it super clear. Start with eligibility, because this already separates the two. HSBC Premier is not just a credit card, it is part of a larger banking relationship. You need to maintain around 40 lakh rupee relationship balance or meet high salary or loan criteria. And if you fail to maintain that, the entire setup becomes expensive or gets downgraded. In contrast, ICICI Emeralde Private Metal is invite only but more flexible. It depends on your relationship and profile, but once you have it, there is no strict ongoing balance requirement like HSBC. So HSBC is tightly tied to your banking relationship, while ICICI is easier to maintain after approval. Now, base rewards. HSBC Premier gives 3 reward points per 100 rupee, and the real strength comes when you transfer those points at a 1-to-1 ratio to partners like Accor or airlines, where the effective return can go up to around 5.4%. ICICI Emeralde Private Metal gives 6 points per 200 rupee, which is a flat 3% return when redeemed for flights, hotels, or premium vouchers at 1 rupee per point. So HSBC has a higher upside if you use transfer partners properly, while ICICI gives a stable and predictable return without needing complex redemption strategies. Now look at where the real difference becomes extreme, which is accelerated rewards. ICICI Emeralde Private Metal becomes one of the highest rewarding cards in India when used through its iShop portal. You can get up to 36% return on hotel bookings and around 18% on flights and vouchers. This is significantly higher than most cards in the market. HSBC Premier also has a travel portal with high multipliers. But its real strength is not the portal. Its strength is the transfer ecosystem, where points can be moved to multiple airline and hotel partners. So ICICI rewards portal-based optimization, while HSBC rewards transfer-based optimization. Now the most important structural change, which affects real-world usage. HSBC removed rewards on categories like fuel, education, rent, wallet loads, and government payments from April 2025. Earlier, HSBC was extremely powerful because it rewarded even insurance and tax payments, but that advantage is largely gone. ICICI Emeralde still gives around 3% rewards on categories like insurance, utilities, and education with reasonable caps. This creates a huge difference in practical usage. If you have large insurance premiums or school fee payments, ICICI continues to generate value, while HSBC gives zero return on those spends. Now redemption. HSBC Premier is designed for global travel. You can transfer points at 1-to-1 to partners like Singapore Airlines, British Airways, and Accor, and points never expire, which makes it ideal for long-term travel planning. ICICI works differently. Its points behave almost like cash. You can redeem them at 1 rupee per point for flights, hotels, and premium brands, and even for Tanishq purchases, which effectively allows you to convert rewards into gold. However, ICICI does not have a strong airline transfer ecosystem. So HSBC is better for international business class travel, while ICICI is better for simple, direct redemption without complexity. Now lounge access. HSBC Premier gives unlimited lounge access along with guest visits internationally, which is very useful for families. ICICI Emeralde Private Metal gives unlimited access for both primary and add-on card holders, which also works well for family usage. Both are strong, but HSBC's guest access feature adds an extra layer of flexibility. Now Forex. HSBC Premier has a very low Forex markup of around 0.99%, which makes it one of the best cards for international spending. ICICI Emeralde charges around 2% Forex markup, which is higher. So for international transactions, HSBC clearly has better math. Now fees. HSBC Premier charges a high joining and renewal fee, but the renewal is waived as long as you maintain Premier status, which effectively makes it behave like a lifetime free card for eligible users. ICICI Emeralde Private Metal charges around 12,499 rupee annually, which can be waived at 10 lakh rupee annual spending. So HSBC is cheaper if you already qualify, while ICICI requires spending to justify the fee. Now the most important difference, which is usage strategy. HSBC Premier works best if you travel internationally, understand airline and hotel transfer partners, and maintain a strong banking relationship. ICICI Emeralde Private Metal works best if you actively use the iShop portal, book travel through it, and spend on categories like insurance and utilities where it still gives rewards. So who should choose what? Choose HSBC Premier if you are already maintaining a high banking relationship, travel internationally, and want maximum value through airline and hotel transfers with low forex cost. Choose ICICI Emeralde Private Metal if you want high direct returns, powerful portal-based rewards, and strong value on everyday categories like insurance and utilities. In simple terms, HSBC Premier is a transfer-focused global travel card with strong forex advantage, while ICICI Emeralde Private Metal is a high-return spending card that is easier to use and more rewarding for everyday and portal-based spending.